Okay, so the parameter is constructed from the term itself. You can understand if I'm going to pass parameters. Okay, so we'll pass some parameters in the sense I just use the constructor name over here, and if I'm passing some parameters, I'll just give integer a comma integer b. That's it. Okay, if I'm going to use some parameters into my constructor, that is called as a parameterized constructor over here. Okay, so now if you see here, give integer c is equal to a plus b. Okay, I'll just use so c. See, there is no need of return type. Nothing is basically required over here. Okay, now I'm going to do some actions. Okay, I'm just going to add two numbers. I'm going to give that output over here as part of the constructor. Okay, now I'm going to run the same program here. Let's see what's happening. Now you see nothing is being printed. Okay, can someone tell why this is not being happened over here? So you understood what is the constructor. There is no need of explicitly calling, but I just created a constructor, right? Why this is not being executed for me?
Because if you execute that constructor, you have to pass the parameters in the second object.
Very good. Who was that? Sorry. It is
Santosh. Santosh.
Santosh. Very good, Santosh. So what we have to do here is, see, to understand this constructor, we have to create one more object which basically needs to be passed with the parameters. Only then it will understand, okay, that I'm going to do some actions or something with the help of this parameterized constructor, and will be basically executing for me. I'm just creating one more object here, execute. The second constructor will be called and it will be executed for. So I'm just passing 4, 5, and that computation is being done over here. Okay, so we understood what is a normal method, we understood what is a constructor and what is a default constructor, and we also understood what is a parameterized constructor. And the very last concept inside this constructor is constructor overloading. Okay, so we basically don't overload a constructor, we do method overloading only. We'll understand that in the next concept, but we need to understand what is constructor. Okay, so we'll see a very simple example for constructor overloading also. So let me basically this copy same constructor. Okay, so I'm going to